singing, hey mama, don't stress your mind, we coming home.
Rhythm, the beat created by the sounds of the words in a poem. Rhythm can be created by using meter, rhymes, alliteration, and refrain. Meter, a pattern of stressed, strong, and unstressed, weak syllables. Each unit or part of the pattern is called a foot. Types of feet: iambic, the unstressed, stressed; trochaic, stressed, unstressed; anapestic, unstressed, unstressed, stressed; dactylic, stressed, unstressed, unstressed. Rhyme scheme, a pattern of rhyming words or sounds, usually end rhyme but not always. Use the letter of the alphabet to represent sounds to be able to visually see the pattern. End rhyme, a word at the end of one line rhymes with a word at the end of another line. Internal rhyme, a word inside a line rhymes with another word on the same line. Near rhyme, also known as imperfect or close enough rhyme. The words share either the same vowel or consonant sound, but not both.